The global economy is growing exponentially. The whole world inputs large sums of investment and high consumptions into energy sources to reap maximum profits. As Earth's resources become increasingly scarce and the environment more polluted, countries around the world are entering the era of environmental protection and energy conservation. Carbon reduction is an important part of developing a circular economy. The time calls for green technology. Sea-Wave Integration Power Generation, EZE Energy Company Limited. EZE Energy, Sea-Wave Integration Power Generation. Four major breakthroughs on the principle and technique of wave power. Gravity floats device. It is easy to generate up and down momentum. Do not have the waves to generate electricity. GAN pole buoy mechanics to stimulate a huge collection of kinetic energy. Device is simple maintenance, low and stable power generation against the impact of the typhoon, year-round and reliable power generation. Pressure air storage, remaining in the wave energy to the energy stored in the air tank as a standby power. China's patents and world PCT applications. Taiwan's PCT application, wave power. EZE Sea-Wave Integration Power Generation characteristics. It is a lever mechanical system integrating waves, tides, gravity, air pressure, and other physical properties. It can effectively and agilely convert marine energy into electric energy, as well integrates desalination applications. Predictable and stable output, increasing buffer time in standby, reducing capacity and cost of standby devices, combining the smart grid to improve transmission and distribution grid safety could be the best choice of power generation infrastructure. Proper corrosion protection can extend operation life up to 25 years. Provide multifunctional purposes, desalination, coastal protection, fishery aquaculture farm. Energy formula, kinetic energy, Ke equals half of mv squared. Potential energy, Pe equals mgh. Integration wave power system benefits. Integration wave power does not require high waves. All it needs is to be 6 meters offshore with 0.5 meter wave height. This will achieve the desired power generation capacity target. The structure and design is made of metal. Its construction is simple and has strong anti-corrosion properties. The cost for maintenance and replacement is very cheap and does not require precision instruments. The generators and mechanical structures are placed in the high waterproof cabinets, even less prone to damages by nature. The operation life is at least 25 years, as opposed to conventional impact wave or tidal power plants, which lasts only 5 to 7 years. This is a huge difference. Wave power has low cost of production, mainly because seawater is a renewable energy. The main duties of the wave pontoon staff is to monitor, maintain, and clean the wave power plant. The generator will operate as long as wave height is more than 0.5 meters. It is a 24-hour, year-round continuous operator. The power conversion efficiency can reach 65%. Unlike wind and solar energy, limited by its natural environment, have only 1,500 production hours. High-efficiency power generation. Production capacity calculation is unlike conventional power plants. For example, coal power plants need to be near stable water supplies. They require consumptions of coal and create pollution that causes many problems. The production capacity is about 35% of operating rate. However, the dynamic integration wave power system by EZE depends mainly on wave height and frequency. The higher and more frequent the waves, the denser the output, and the more power it will generate. The kinetic energy conversion rate is about 65%. Future mainstream power generation. Stable around-the-clock power generation, whether large or small waves. When there is typhoon, it can detect large destructive waves to avoid damages. The integration wave power system takes full advantage of the natural geographic elements, making this a true natural renewable energy. Protection from large destructive waves. Reasons for the wave power project. New technology, new economy. Energy saving, reduces pollution. New tourist attraction site. Exemplary, stimulates the industrial chain. Risks and avoidance. Risks. Policies. In order to gain official support, some work needs to be done in the government and the National Energy Board. Finances. Funds need to be in place, may require joint investment between companies or consortia. Disasters. Project is located in low-risk regions. Chances of disaster is very low. Avoidance. The project can be made insurance claims. The power must be guaranteed purchases. Conforms to world's long-term zero-emission tactic. Superior technology with excellent project feasibility. Ease of control of construction and management. Low risk and reliable. Satisfactory returns on investment.